Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as I have been telling you guys that there are lots of scams going on in my name in Telegram. So please stay away from any profile, any group in my name. These are all scams going on in my name. I do not have any group. I do not have any investment service. So please stay away. These are all scammers. Okay, so let's get started. So finally, market is behaving like a market that used to behave before a major event like NFP. After the horrible starting of the week, finally we can see that market is waiting for the big news, that is NFP. Yesterday we had ADP NFP which failed to meet the expectation. So there is a possibility that the NFP also may fail to meet the expected number. And if you look at the news, you can see dollar at 2-week high, euro softer as market bets on rate cuts. Fed to cut more aggressively than expected in 2024. So overall, this is the market sentiment. And if you look at the chart of dollar here, as we have discussed already, the dollar will be going up till NFP, and we can see that as per our expectation, dollar is right now standing almost at the resistance of 104.20. 104.20 to 104.50 is the resistance level, and we can expect that market will struggle a little, and again dollar will try to cross it, and maybe it will be able to cross resistance also. Okay, because I don't think so that before NFP we will get to see a complete reversal. Market will be going down, continue the downtrend. It will struggle and then it will try to break the resistance again. So before NFP, 102.50 is still a very strong support for the market. So now let's wait and watch how the market reacts. Now let's look at a chart of gold. So right now, as the market is flat, you can clearly see we do not have any major movement here. So as a result, the number of trading opportunities are very less. Okay, and still if you're trying to trade aggressively in this market, then my dear friend, this is not the right thing to do. Because in this type of market, okay, sometimes because of bad positions, we are trapped. So don't make the mistake, let the market come to the levels. So let's discuss one by one. So as discussed already, 1980 is the next big support on the chart of gold, where we can expect the market to give us a good bounce. And the reason is Fibonacci. If we consider Fibo from here, you can see that where is 1980? Yeah, there it is. Around 1980, 1979 level, we have Fibo 50% retracement level. As market is respecting Fibo 38.2, so we can expect the same again. If I take it to a daily chart also, okay, you can see it more clearly. The market is right now standing at Fibo 38.2% retracement level. So as a result, we can definitely expect a bounce around Fibo 50% as well, which is 1979, around 1980 level. And you can see if we consider Fibo from this particular point also, around the low made by the market around 1933. Here also we have Fibo 78.6% retracement level around 1980. So 1980, 1978, 79 seems to be the next big support on the chart of gold here. And before 1970 or 79 level, we also have another support around 2000 level. We also have another support on 2000 level. 1980 is the best, but 2000 also seems to be a good support before NFP. Why? Because you can see previous resistance will be working as support here, and 200 moving average is also coming up. So around 2000 level, I believe by the US session or by tomorrow, the 200 moving average will be providing support around 2000 level as well. So around 2000, it can be 2001, it can be 1999. Around that level, we can expect that we have some buyers and they will be trying to hold the market. And especially in this type of volatility, we can definitely expect that each and every level will give us a bounce, will give us an opportunity to trade. So the strongest support is around 1979, 1980. Then we have the next support around 2000 level. Right now we are in the hourly time frame, 1 hour time frame, and here you can see that in this low volatile situation around 2010, around 2010 2009 also we have a minor support. Why minor? Because this is not a major support, and the structure of gold has also changed right after the market opening. So as a result, in this type of market structure, usually this type of level do not work. But right now market is waiting for a news, so we do not have much volatility, and to break any level, okay, volume is extremely important, and in absence of volume you can expect the market to take support. Okay, so it's like you are trying to break a door. So if a small kid, okay, if a small kid tries to break a door, will he be able to break the door? Obviously no, he doesn't have the strength. So here also same stuff. So during the day, if you see that market is going down, but there is not much volume and volatility, then you can also observe the market in 2010, 2009. And if you're a day trader, then you can look for a profit of 30 to 40 pips, not more than that. Okay. And on the chart of gold, we do not have any other support right now. 2000, 1980, 79 and 2010, 2009, which is a weak level. Okay, and in case market surprises us with volatility, suppose during the US session, if you see a big red candle, then obviously do not trust 2010. Okay, that may not work. And on the other hand, resistance, where do we have? Okay, yes, the resistance of 2040. Yes, I guess yeah, as discussed yesterday, 2040 to 2042 is still valid. Then we have 2063. These are the two resistances where we can expect the market to face some selling pressure, and already the structure of market has changed already. So as a result, we can expect that if market goes up also, market will face some selling pressure. If market shows price rejection from above, we'll get the confirmation that yes, sellers are present and we can hit the sell button. And if you're wondering why we are considering this, we are considering this because of FIBO 23% retracement level around 1942 and 1963 because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level, plus the previous support will also be acting as resistance here. But one thing we need to focus here is, okay, if we look at the chart of gold here, okay, yes, the structure of the market is changing, but technically we have the confirmation right now that yes, downtrend has started, but the problem is NFP. And as you guys already know, I have told many times that for a trend reversal, we need the backing of a news, and right now we don't have the confirmation from the fundamentals. So that's why market is still in a waiting mode, and fundamentals have the capacity to change anything. Okay. So these are the trading opportunities that we have on the chart of gold. And if you are a kind of a risk taker, okay, if you can afford to take risk, then you can switch to 15 minutes time frame for some additional trading opportunities. First of all, market is trading inside a range here. Okay, so if market breaks 2020 during the day, if you see the market is going below 2020, you can look for a sell position. How much you can expect? You can expect 25 to 40 pips, but this is a high risk position. As I already said, in low volume market, when the volume is very low, breakout and breakouts are risky because it may lead to a false breakout as well. But still, okay, many of you love to trade. That's why I'm sharing this, that some are reliable trading opportunities and some are high risk trading opportunities. If you are in a very tight spot, you are not in a position to lose any money, then obviously you should stay away from this, and you should only focus on the major levels and reliable trading opportunities. But if you have the itch, वो जो खुजली हम कहते हैं, ठीक है, then you can look for some positions around below 2020 if market breaks it. Similarly, you can also look for a buy position above 2035 as well. 2035 as well. How much you can expect? Around 25 to 30 pips. If market breaks 2035, there is a possibility that market will go up at least till 2038. You can go for a buy about 2035 as well. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. I have discussed all the opportunities, the reliable ones, the risky ones, the shitty ones. Okay, so now it's your decision. But yes, my dear friend, never forget, we are traders, not gamblers. So risk management is extremely important always. And my dear friends, as you already know, the Hindi workshop has already started and only 4 days left for the English workshop. So my dear friend, this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. If you like my work, if you really want to take your trading as a serious source of income, you can consider joining the workshop. It's everything is mentioned on the website. The link is in the description. So these are the topics that we will be discussing in 3 days, and in the 1 month support we will be having regular weekly sessions, and we will be discussing these topics in a weekly classes. So all total 7 classes. You can see the dates are Hindi classes already started from yesterday, and English 11, 12, and 13th of December. The time is mentioned here. The classes will be conducted over Google Meet. If you cannot manage time, no need to worry. I record each and everything. Okay. And I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And these are the benefits that you will be getting after joining the workshop. Because 3 days class is not enough. I also know it very well. Because trading is a journey, it takes time. You need to know, okay, how to proceed with the market. So as a result, I have decided a long time ago that along with the classes, yes, support is also extremely important. The best part is the fees, my dear friends. You can see the fees is only $15 for 3 days workshop, 1 month support. It's only $15, but these are the benefits. And yes, trading requires time. Guidance is important. So yes, if you're looking for some guidance, personal support, you can also sign up for very affordable semi-annual and lifetime support. You can see here everything is mentioned. These are the payment options. Right after the payment, just share the screenshot to the WhatsApp number here, or you can also email to this address. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, thank you so much.